Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's video I just want to share in this beautiful setting of the beach how it's really nice and better, in my opinion, to learn when we're single about spirituality, self-healing, self-development, personal empowerment, letting go of the past, healing relationships, letting go of non-forgiveness, about the ego, the pain body and the shadow, about communication, and real true knowledge that we don't usually learn in school or the public media for various reasons, you know. But I also want to say it's much better than not doing that. But I also want to say that the real growth and very big, fast expansion happens and has happened to me in the last 2 years in a challenging relationship. That's where you get to not just learn something in your head, but you get to practice it almost every day. Now, I've been in other relationships too, but nothing really has expanded me as much as this current relationship. So it's really good to learn while you're in it and get support. I've gotten support from healers, a few different types of healers like Reiki and another one or two, and even lately in acupuncture, and people who are wise and have walked the walk and have experience and who are heart-centered and have knowledge. So that's what I want to say in this video, that if you're single, try and learn and empower yourself, learn good stuff, but enjoy being single and your personal freedom more. Use your time wisely, a mixture of fun and light-hearted things, but also like learning and some more life like tools. And then when you're in a relationship, seek help and keep learning. You may not have as much time to learn depending on if you live with the person full time or if there's children involved. But yeah, relationships is where the rubber meets the road, is where it's really active and real. You're tested. This is where the test comes, daily testing. And other change happens through big losses in life, personal losses, and I've gone through them too. So they're challenging and they'll expand us also. So yeah, that's all I really want to say. I hope this tiny message helps you in some way. A little bit of wisdom or knowledge for today. Have a gorgeous day. Enjoy life, appreciate being alive. Get out there in nature, have a lovely time, exercise, move your body. Beautiful clouds up there. Move your body, your beautiful temple, pump the heart, breathe deep, drink lots of water, forgive, love, let go of attachments, know your real wishes and needs, meet them and those of who you love or care for, open your heart, expand your heart, learn from different teachers, go to bed early according to nature's rhythms as close as possible. You'll have more energy because sleep is like nature's way of like recharging your phone, like your battery, recharging your battery, sleep. So we will get a much better recharge the earlier we go. It's much better for our hormones. And then of course eat plenty of raw and fresh living foods, etc. Superfoods, herbs and enzymes, etc., etc., etc. This type of thing. Well, you don't need the enzymes as much as you need, like, you know, more living foods basically. Well, yeah, so for 20% off my herb, superfood and enzyme store, please have a look below. 20% off your first order when you subscribe. And for family or in relationship coaching and consultations or mediation or personal consultations as well, yeah, as I said, just check out my link below from my website. I have a few different books coming. So yeah, there's also a special offer coupon there on my webpage. And befriend me on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. Hey, how are you? I love you to hear your comments and to befriend me and leave me a message on Facebook should you wish. And I really wish you all the best. And I'll leave my new videos or old videos here, previous videos along at the end in a minute. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you. And have a gorgeous day. And may all humanity be blessed. All the beautiful people and souls.